In this episode, we're going to discuss how dieting can affect hair loss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. One of the common questions that we get asked is, well, if I'm on some sort of diet, does that result in hair loss? And this has become very topical recently because, of course, people are very much keen on looking after their health, making sure that they're losing weight as a consequence of that. And we've talked about in another video as well, other pharmaceutical agents that can be used to help with weight loss. And a great example of that is Ozempic. And the reality is dieting itself does not cause hair loss per se. Certainly not the common sort of hair loss in men or women, sort of androgenic alopecia with male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss. That's a more genetic condition. But what it can do, especially if you're going on some form of crash diet or some sort of calorie restrictive diet, it can cause stress in the system. And the fact that you're on a low calorie diet can increase your cortisol levels, which increases your, as a consequence of the increased stress in the system. What this can do is actually functionally turn off that life cycle of that hair, which will cause that hair to shed. Now, under normal circumstances, this is quite normal. If the hair sheds, then after a period of time, that hair will start to regrow and come back. But under the influence of the genetics and the hormones that result in male or female pattern hair loss, the hair that comes back may be a thinner version of itself. And so you may lose a hair, and the hair that comes back is a thinner form of that original hair. And so if that happens consecutively over multiple life cycles of that hair, then you might find that the act of dieting, whilst not causing the hair loss, may precipitate and cause you to get to the outcome a lot faster. So by no means does this mean that you shouldn't be on a diet. If you are overweight, then that's important to look at lifestyle changes, and diet is part of that, also exercise. But understand that crash dieting can result in significant shedding of hair, which may, as a consequence, cause you to lose more hair more rapidly. So I hope that makes sense. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.